Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can fix the upload now. Check that you're signed into the correct YouTube account and running the latest app or use desktop. This avoids permission errors. Next, inspect the video. 9:16 vertical, MP4 or H. 264 codec, under 60 seconds and within free storage limits. Once done, confirm a stable Wi-Fi or good 4G connection and disable any VPN or proxy. These often block uploads instantly. Now you prepare the file and uploader. Re-encode the clip to 1080 x 1920, 30 to 60 frames per second, and a target bitrate around 6 to 12 Mbps so YouTube accepts it reliably. Make sure metadata is clean. Remove long titles, special characters, or problematic captions that can trigger failures. Use YouTube Studio on web for more reliable results, and if browser extensions might interfere, open an incognito window and sign in to try the upload again. Finish the process by uploading with the correct settings and confirming visibility. Add hash shorts in the title or description, choose public or scheduled, and hit upload. Monitor progress %. If it stalls or fails, clear the YouTube app cache, reboot your device, and retry. Alternatively, use a different phone or desktop on another network. As a key troubleshooting tip, re-encode to a lower bitrate or split the file into 2 shorter clips. This often resolves stubborn encoding or timeout errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.